Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Seamless AI, and this is the best real-time search engine for sales leads platform. So before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial and exclusive bonuses. Make sure to check that out. Jumping onto the platform, you can see we have multiple options in here. Currently we are on its dashboard and it is showing the contacts that are added onto the platform using Seamless AI, the companies that are registered. So it is a really well reputed platform. On the left side, you can see you have this option to add your company. Click on this plus icon and add your company name in here. Once you do that, you're going to be adding your full name. Eventually, all of these fields should be entered for better statistical analysis of your platform. Since this is a real-time search engine for sales leads platform, it is going to be providing you some real-time analytics and data. Below you can see you have contacts. Of course, you can upload your contact in here. You can also upload your CSV files. By the way, you can see my list, and if you want to create a new list, click on this option, enter the name, and it will be listed in here. In the companies section, you can add your companies that you want to simply analyze. You have your data enrich option. So this is basically AI powered system that is going to be providing you a quick guide. This is basically for if you want to have a better idea about the platform. Now you can see you have your my contacts list that you can upload CSV for, as I discussed already, your companies, enrich job changes, and email lists. So you can create your email list as well. Now if you want to simply head over to buyer intent, so what customer is all about, what they are willing in different type of niches and industries, you can research on that as well. So you can see the audit and all of this data is available in here. And finally, you have your AI writer in here as well. So this is also an amazing thing that is based on AI, and you can simply enter your prompts and generate different type of data. If you are unsure about Seamless AI, I'm going to be letting you through some of its reviews on Trustpilot. You can see a super tool in every way, changing landscape with AI and much more. So make sure to give it a try to Seamless AI using the link in the description below, using which you can get extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.